Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how we can convert our PDF files into AutoCAD files. So we will begin our video. Before that, if you not subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, then we will begin our video. So what you have to do, you can see this is my PDF drawing file. I want to convert this file into AutoCAD format. Okay, you can see this is a PDF format. I want to convert this file into AutoCAD .dwg format. So what we have to do, this is an online tool that will convert our PDF file into AutoCAD format. So we will start converting our file. What you have to do is click here on browse file and go to your desired folder. I want to select this table T4 model. You can see the drawing is uploading on the website and also converting online. What you have to do is download the file after conversion. Okay, now you can see I have got the download link from the website. I want to click on this link. Okay, I want to go to the downloads now. This is the download file. Yeah, you can see this is the download file. I will open now. Okay, this is the conversion file. I want to open. Now you can see this is the conversion file, and I want to also show you this is the PDF file and this is the converted file. And this tool is 100% free. No subscription is required, no registration is required on this website. Hope you understand. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.